Are you trying to die?
Hello everyone. Welcome to Car Expert. Southeast No Rat. The river is wide. Joy and sorrow look at the river, that's war. When driving through an intersection, never run a red light. Oh, that's me. I just saw a guy run a red light. Boom, he was knocked down. The car in the following video faces a red light out of control. It was almost at a loss of what to do. Hey, and there's a scooter at the intersection. Just right. Hey, it won't go wrong. Oh my. You're trying to hurt me. Fortunately, I reacted quickly. Just now, he performed a red light at the intersection. Brain teaser. Next, there is another tricycle. Then they ran the red light and dashed forward. Hey, the tricycle nuke is here. Oh, just heard a click sound. The video. The car was hit and shook 3 times. The following electric scooter lady ran the red light and thought others would gesture. Okay? Oh, yeah. We heard the men and women in the car just now. Cheering and screaming. What kind of hero is it to bully a weak woman? My addiction will be staged. Are you a hero? We saw the video. I don't know. This driver actually spoke true. You electric scooters not come and when we cross the intersection at a traffic light. It should be fine for me to cross the intersection. You must have your own grade. These are 6th graders. Oh no, it's here comes trouble. Did you see that? So cars also run is like a sword of Damocles hanging at the intersection. Cars also run red lights. No matter if you're on an electric bike or in a car. Doesn't he fear points being deducted in fines? You can't casually cross and trample on the red line of traffic safety. Are you slapping me in the face? I hope you'll share this video. It really exists. To remind all your good friends. Awesome. Not to run red lights at intersections. Beautiful. Wow. Awesome. One moment of carelessness and you're lying on the ground. Oh no. It's bad. Hello everyone. It's boiling. Welcome to Follow Driving Master. Every day, I'll show you all kinds of driving experts on the road. Long press to like, as well as the bizarre and fresh events that have just happened. Love you all. Kisses every day. Let you gain experience in driving. Ouch. And drive more safely. Sis, don't forget to like, comment, I'm here to and share after watching. Don't be afraid. Let more people learn lessons and gain experience. Thank you. Brother, Follow Driving Master together. Okay. Let's give me the bag too. Okay, brother. Don't worry. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Car Expert. 3 thatched huts, a secluded village. The wind and rain wail, soul-stirring. A Maybach soaked in the rain. The car owner helplessly opened the door. What to do? Brothers and sisters. My new Maybach. How can I minimize my losses? Anyone have a solution? Waiting online. If you have a good solution, share it. I also want to reduce my losses. Oh, my new Rolls-Royce is ruined. Never mind. I'll just soak my feet in the car for now. It's not going to stop raining. The whole of my underground garage is flooded. All my luxury cars from over the years are in there. What do I do? Guys, quick, someone come and pump out the water. It's over. My luxury cars are all ruined. Can you see if there are any good cars left? They're all beyond repair. What to do? Guys, my friends. All of these cars are now junk. Seems like I can only sell them as scrap metal. My collection of luxury cars. If any of you want them, you can come and take a look. You can take them away by weight. Why does everyone else have a big brother? Luxury cars. I don't have a big brother. I don't care. Who will be my big brother later from the rain at any time? The sleeping stars and flowers. Good cars. Suddenly, the city's neon lights are no longer shining. Can't get it. Is it good now? Oh no! Show me how it turned out. Quickly, the sensor's broken. 1, right? 2, 3. Hurry! Open the door. Many years later, open the door. A heavy rain awakens. The city's neon lights are no longer shining. Quick, open the door. There's a faint starlight. It looks like I still need to use the mechanical key. Out sneakily. I'm exhausted. Your gate is still far away. Go and die. Waiting for me. Where are you? Stars lighting up my doorstep. It's me, sis. I'm coming to save you, so that lost children can find their way back home.
Thank you.
Brother, gently lighting a lamp. Give me the bag illuminate my future. Hey, don't forget to protect the child's heart. Brother, flash black
Don't
again.
worry.
For me. Crawl over slowly. Help me
Brothers
get up.
here.
Woohoo. Just relax. All right? Come back and save me.
Thank you.
I'm not playing anymore. Take it easy. Welcome to Car Driving Master. Give me your hand. Pull the tail. Video exceeding the limits of east. Slowly
West,
lower your
south,
head and
north,
and number 1. With a dragon hanging over the
brother.
head. Your son
scared
complains that the car in front
saved
is
my
I saw
life.
the driver lose control.
Yeah, hey,
you're
you're
driving
now.
so slowly. Went for a side parking spot. He. Next, the driver
ran
overtook
again.
too fast and was forced to fly up a small dirt hill. He, you must overtake quickly. Oh no. All right. Whoa. The driver just overtook on a large bend, kicking up a lot of dust. We see the driver below just wanted to pass the big truck and encountered willing to fully press down. Oh no. Next, the driver was overtaken and encountered a small car that was also overtaking. And then they squeezed in. Oh, don't worry. Let me pull over first. Oh. Hey, oh my. It's over now. One section of the guardrail is 5,000 yuan. Oh. I guess I'll have to live frugally this month. When the small car was overtaking just now, it smashed down a big section of the guardrail, clattering. When we are overtaking, we must judge whether we have sufficient conditions for overtaking. As the old saying goes, don't sleep with a beam on your back at home. Don't blindly follow the good behavior when you are out. Hey, you're rambling on so much. The key is still to look at the level of overtaking. Hey, give me some room. I want to overtake right now. Oh no, this is not good. There's a car in the other lane. Look, let them pass. Pull over. Rolling wind arrives, sweeping the earth. Oh. I said, why didn't you let me pass just now? Prompting the heavens, the tide off the accelerator, and 10,000 mountains Would collapse. I not have passed you? Friends, you're quite the rational one. Recklessly and I was overtaking the tricycle. Never make the same mistake. It's really easy to cause accidents. Can't you see there's a car in front? Share this video. Everyone have the reminding friends to grasp. Welcome to Follow Driving. You just deal with it. Here you can see all kinds of driving tolerance. You have to yield to me, too, as well as all sorts of bizarre things. 2 drivers just now. Each thought they were right to give you more driving experience, and the other thought they were right. Drive more safely. We have to overtake. Call your friends and get share it this quickly. You must know yourself and know the enemy. Don't driving get out of the way. There's a surprise. The car going the wrong way. Not love you anymore. The green forest. Oh. Who's afraid? Come save me. Let's watch the car. Hello everyone. Welcome to Watch Car Wizard Universe's speed. Use the base of Sun 2 well and explore it like a god. Unexpectedly, a group of electric bike riders going the wrong way suddenly appeared. Oh dear. It's not us going the wrong way. I'll be damned suddenly appeared. This hole. No. Oh dear. Now, this wall bang. Honey, it seems like we were going the wrong way. The car just now crashed in the middle of the road, and I saw the scene just everywhere. As if blind to the electric car guy performed a reverse drive swim in the rain. Made my eyes flash. There's a small black car ahead. What are you doing suddenly driving the wrong way? I say, and then it crashed and shattered. You're driving the wrong way. I need to go forward. I'm driving the right way, aren't I? But you're going into my lane. That's driving the wrong way. Please be careful. I'm not going to argue driving. Nonsense. Are you unable to brake at all? No manners. Then the beautiful lights I set up are ruined. You're parked in the wrong way lane. I'm really Aren't you worried, old man? You are beautiful. Why would I be worried? We see what happened after anyone the two cars could collided. The scene was immediately filled with smoke. Oh yeah. Next, a small car unknowingly entered the wrong lane. Thank you for waking me up. Hey, I have to leave. You're driving the wrong way. Don't leave here. Hey, don't talk. Oh. I know. Oh. Thank you. The small car just now entered the wrong lane. Was forced to start an off-road challenge. Who's afraid? Next, an off-road vehicle hiding behind a heavy truck. suddenly flashed. I hope my friends will share this video. Just now, suddenly the off-road vehicle going the wrong way. Driving against traffic is forbidden. Whirlwind suddenly appearing out of nowhere, or something. Hello everyone. Welcome to Follow Driving Master. Going the wrong way is a green forest episode every day to show you all kinds of driving experts on the road and the strange and fresh things that have just happened to make you gain experience in driving and drive more safely. Don't forget to share, comment, and like after watching. Don't forget to share it. Let more people learn. Long press to like to trigger. See you every day. Follow Driving Master together.